This evening, we begin our look at the impact of bike crashes and fatalities across the island. In part one of a Primetime News In Focus report, we hear from victims of some of these crashes. Anthony Lugg reports.
John Brown is a walking miracle. In April this year, he was hit by a speeding motorcyclist who overtook a line of traffic in Little London, Westmoreland. With time, he will heal, but the anguish he endured from his injuries will forever be etched in his mind.
The sound of bikes, just the recklessness of how they ride them, really traumatizing.
About 17 kilometers away is the Whitehall Main Road in Negril. It's where this man operates a bike taxi.
A truck man, I serve out a patrol and lick me up on my bike, take out two of my teeth, them, you see it?
These people lived to tell the tale, but others weren't so lucky. Like the 4 men who died along the Waterworks Road in Westmoreland on October 16. It's not a dump site. What you're looking at here is actually a crash site where 3 motorcyclists and a pillion lost their lives on October 16. The motorcyclists were traveling along this roadway when they collided into a truck traveling in the opposite direction, which burst into flames. Moments later, the truck collided in this wall and then stopped.
So them mash up real bad. Mash up real bad.
According to data from the Island Traffic Authority, the country recorded 360 road fatalities. Motorcyclists account for 112 of that figure. Westmoreland recorded 32 fatalities, followed by Clarendon with 13 and St. Elizabeth with 12.
We have one case under investigation now where a senior officer, an inspector of police, instructed a motorcyclist to stop. The motorcyclist, in trying to elude the police, hit down the policeman.
It's important to note that Westmoreland has one of the largest concentration of motorcycles across the island, with Negril and the Little London Police Division accounting for the vast majority. This is the preferred mode of transportation, as the deplorable road conditions in some communities have made it impossible for cars and buses to traverse. With that has come indiscipline.
When them passing on the road, it not nice. You don't think the road are for them. Them not respect the road, them not respect nobody. Them ride like them a fly on the bike.
Deputy Superintendent Sean J. Mitchell is Zone 4 Commander, which comprises Little London and Negril.
Motorcyclists account for the vast majority of crashes within the parish. And one of the major reasons for that is speeding. Motorcyclists not keeping to the left, and there are issues with safety. So persons are not wearing safety accoutrements such as helmets, biker suits, and there are some other things that they're just not doing because of the lack of training of motorcyclists.
The impact of these bike crashes are far-reaching and often leave families devastated. Hospitals are also under pressure.
These patients will spend some time up to, depending on the severity of their injury, at least a month in hospital to get sorted out. Now, that's a serious burden.
In part 2, we'll explore the impact on hospitals and the challenges being faced by the police. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.